nature. It's the most important thing on this planet. Its beauty unparalleled. Humans are drawn to it. They are in awe when surrounded by it. Why then do we, the human race, seek to destroy it? Is there really no other way to live our lives without harming nature? People did it for hundreds of years. Many people these days get too caught up in work and daily life that they often forget to take a step back and enjoy the simple things. They often take for granted all the beautiful things nature has to offer them. Without it, life is impossible. Not just for us, but for all the other beautiful creatures who call Earth their home. We must work together to preserve this planet, not just for the forest, but for the species who are being driven to extinction every day. Can you imagine a world without diversity or forests? It would be a wasteland. If we don't act now, future generations will miss out on all the beautiful things this world has to offer. The human race has brought great suffering upon Earth, and we are only hurting ourselves in the end. Once all the trees and biodiversity are gone, all life on Earth will cease to exist. The future is always in motion. Will humanity stop ignoring what is going on all around them? If we give up now, if we refuse to believe, we will fail. Slow down. Rediscover the imagination of your youth. Remember how to appreciate the big and small beauties of nature. Escape from all the unnatural lies we have become accustomed to. Be amazed by the miracles of nature. Simply reconnect with nature within your soul.